We're diving into the top 3 AI humanoid robots that are revolutionizing the world in 2024. Please support us by hitting the subscribe button. Let's dive in. Our journey begins with a Mecca, a marvel of engineering developed by Engineered Arts. It's the perfect platform to develop interaction between us humans and any metaverse or digital realm. A Mecca's potential applications are vast, ranging from customer service and education to therapy and companionship. Next, we encounter Sophia, a groundbreaking AI humanoid robot created by Hanson Robotics. Known for its intelligence and social skills, Sophia can mimic human gestures and hold simple conversations. Designed to work with the elderly in nursing homes, with children, in customer service, or to help crowds at large events, Sophia is a testament to the potential of AI-powered humanoids. Sophia's ability to understand and respond to human emotions makes it a valuable tool for social interaction and emotional support. Our exploration continues with Tesla Optimus Gen 2. With faster walking speeds, the ability to climb stairs effortlessly and navigate intricate environments, Optimus Gen 2 is poised to revolutionize industries and redefine the concept of human-robot collaboration. This advanced humanoid robot is designed to perform a wide range of activities, from manufacturing to household chores, making it a versatile and indispensable tool for the future. These AI humanoid robots represent the pinnacle of technological advancement, but a question arises: can robots truly replace humans? How can we ensure that these technologies are used for the betterment of humanity? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech updates.